Welcome to Albania's hidden lands, a place where nature reveals its untouched beauty, where mountains rise proudly, beaches glow golden, rivers flow crystal clear, and where the charm of tradition still lives on. Albania is not just another stop in Europe. It is a journey through one of the continent's last hidden gems, from majestic peaks to turquoise seas, from ancient villages to wild rivers. This land offers some of the most unforgettable adventures on Earth. The experience begins with the coastline. Along the Ionian Sea stretches the Albanian Riviera, where Ksamil, Dhermi, and Himara shine with turquoise waters and soft sands. Unlike crowded tourist resorts, the beaches here feel authentic, peaceful, and pure. Watching the sunset over the calm sea while tasting fresh local seafood is a memory that never fades. But Albania is more than the sea. The Albanian Alps, also called the Accursed Mountains, rise in the north. Here, valleys cut deep, waterfalls sparkle, and stone villages rest quietly in the hills. Valbona Valley and Theth National Park open their trails to explorers, where rivers run fresh, forests remain untouched, and silence connects you with nature. The lakes tell another story. Lake Shkodra, shared with Montenegro, spreads wide as the largest in the Balkans, a paradise for birds. Lake Ohrid, ancient, deep, and clear, holds centuries of history in its waters. Around their shores, villages and old churches whisper traditions of the past. Rivers add their own rhythm. The Vjosa, called Europe's last wild river, flows freely without barriers. In the Osum Canyon, rafting between towering cliffs feels like an adventure into a secret world, where nature shows both power and grace. Albania's wild heart beats in its national parks. Logara, Divjaka, Karavasta, Prespa. Lands where pelicans rise, eagles circle, wild goats climb, and flowers bloom in vivid colors. Here, every step reveals life in its purest form. But Albania is not only about nature, it is also about people and culture shaped by the land. In Gjirokaster and Berat, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites, stone houses cling to the hillsides, and traditions live in harmony with the mountains and valleys. Evenings in Albania are unforgettable. Golden sunsets over the Riviera, quiet nights in the mountains under skies crowded with stars, the call of birds, the sound of rivers, the silence of untouched valleys. Remind you that beauty here never sleeps. What makes Albania truly special is this sense of purity. Less crowded, more authentic. It lets travelers feel Europe as it once was. Raw, real, and deeply connected to the earth. Albania is not just a journey. It is an awakening, a hidden treasure of nature, culture, and history that will surprise you, inspire you, and stay with you forever.